In this segment, I'll define value-based pricing and explain why it is still a minority of major businesses that pursue value-based pricing and instead pursue other strategies for pricing. Value-based pricing starts with the premise that there is a right price. A right price for each customer, for each product, for each transaction. And at that right price is the one we seek to achieve, which means we have to begin by understanding what is value to our customer and what are their alternatives, their next best alternative if they choose not to buy from us. And we have to identify how we are different from and better than that alternative. And then we price so that we can achieve some of that additional value, perhaps even most of that additional value, while retaining the relationship with our customers. Now compare that with what is practiced by many companies. Cost plus pricing is perhaps the most common in the business-to-business world, and cost plus pricing starts with the idea that we identify our unit cost and then we add a percentage to that that will cover all of our fixed costs and profit objectives. The issue with cost plus pricing is that it does not take into account what is value as perceived by customers. The very best cost plus companies end up leaving substantial amounts of money on the table. And they leave that on the table. Why? Because they have priced for efficiency and their customers stay with them, but their customers would be willing to pay more if they understood the additional value that they're receiving. So moving from cost plus pricing to value-based pricing is not easy, and it is a journey. I am aware of several major companies that have made that journey, and it takes 4 or 5 years before you can achieve the transition, and it has a lot of issues involved in that transition. We'll comment more on those issues in our next segment.